Alright, today we're gonna pressure wash or power wash this door. It looks really ugly. It's all wood. I already hit it here once and it made this, so we're gonna try it with the power washer and see what it does. Maybe clean the whole thing and let me know what you guys think. Okay, we're almost done here. This is the last of it. Alright, here's the neighbor's door, and here's our door. Brand new, clean. Look at the difference. Alright guys, the door is done. As you can see, it's nice and clean. It's still wet, so once it dries, it should be pretty nice and light and clean. All the dirt came off. So I recommend you stain it or paint it after this. And if you guys have any suggestions on what to wash or power wash, let me know. Thanks.